In this video, we're gonna learn how you can download and install Kimi AI app on Android or iPhone. Firstly, you're just gonna go to kimi.moonshot.cn. On this website, tap on this Kimi logo and tap on the phone icon here below the login option. And you will get the QR code that you can scan to download the Kimi AI assistant. You can either take a screenshot of this QR code and then scan, or you can just directly go to URL box here and we're gonna go to kimi.moonshot.cn/download/app. It will bring you a different page. Scroll down and you're gonna find the iPhone option and Android. For the Android, tap on Android. It will prompt you to download the Kimi APK file. You can just download and install. Let me install it from the downloads folder. I have already downloaded. Go to downloads and it's here. Install. After the installation, open it and you can just agree the terms. It's in Chinese language. The app is still being developed, so we can expect English translated version of the app soon. Currently, it gives your answers in Chinese language. So let's wait for the app to fully develop in English language. Now for the iPhone users, I'm gonna go back and tap on iPhone option. It will bring you the App Store. It's already available for iPhone users. You can just download it on your iPhone directly. So that's the way how you can download and install the Kimi AI Assistant app on Android or iPhone. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.